Hi guys, it's Gisele. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am getting out of my comfort zone and I'm trying a blue eyeshadow look. One of the scariest colors to me. So if you want to see how this came together, keep on watching. I've already gone in and done my foundation, prepped my eyes with primer, and did my eyebrows off camera. No, I didn't do primer. I'm sorry. I prepped my eyes with the MAC paint pot, and I don't know why, but this eye right here is super dry. Like, it's looking super dry. I don't know why, so just ignore that eye. I'm a little scared because I really don't know what I'm going to be doing with the blue. Blues tend to scare me a little bit, you know, can go really, really wrong rather quickly. So I'm going to go in first with the Becca Pearl Glow Shimmering Eye Palette. I'm sure you guys have heard that Becca is going out of business effective September of this year. I'm really sad about that. We are going in with this color right here, which is called Tahitian, and using an E.L.F. blending brush. This thing has seen better days. It's actually kind of gross. I don't know what is happening, but every time I clean this thing, it's like the glue or something is like moving up from the base of the brush. But I'm still going to use it because it's like one of my favorite brushes that I have. This is looking a little blotchy already. A little blotchy. Don't know why. Go in with some more. Maybe it's the MAC paint pot that's making it blotchy. Like I said, my lids look really dry after I put that on. Do you guys have that problem with the paint pot? I feel like mine is super dry. Is it time to get rid of it, or should I add something to it to make it reactivate again? I'm too scared to go in with too much product and then have a disaster of blue on my hands. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so that this video is not a million hours long, and then we'll come back and figure out what other shade we're gonna put on these eyes. Next, we're gonna be using the Milani Gilded Violet palette, and there are some really hyper pigmented shades. We're gonna be using that in the corner. I'm kind of scared. All right, I'm gonna be using a small angled brush from E.L.F. By the way, this shade is called Past Curfew. God help me. Okay. We're gonna be using this so that I could try to contain what is happening in the corner here. Oh, okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Try to blend it out. That is super pigmented. Ugh. All right, I'm going in with the other E.L.F. brush I was using. No additional product. I'm just gonna try to blend some of this out. Wow, a little went a long way with that color. That is super, super pigmented. Yikes. I'm just gonna bring that into like the middle of the lid. It's looking a little scary right now. The left eye came out different than the right eye. As you can see, it looks way darker. I'm going to use the blending crease brush number 105 from It Brushes. This is from the collection they did for Ulta last Christmas, this past Christmas. All right, so I'm just gonna try to blend this because it's looking a little scary, people. Oh boy. Kudos to you out there, those people that do blue and they do it well and they're not scared to do blue. Kudos to you, because the last time that I wore blue was in the early 2000s and it was frosted. It was a frosted blue. Now we're back to the Becca palette. I am taking this shade right here, which is called Fresh Water. We're going to put that all. Maybe I should have used my finger. Okay, I'm just gonna take the E.L.F. brush again and no additional product, and I'm just gonna kind of clean up the crease area a little bit. That's what it's looking like. I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe it'll look different once I have mascara on and it's cleaned up a little bit. We're gonna go back in with this shade right here, Past Curfew, and I'm gonna try to put that on the lower lid. Oh, that was too dark, Gisele. What were you thinking, girl? What were you thinking? Oh, well, I'm committed now. Take a bigger blending brush. Try to blend some of that. Oh gosh, one mistake and it's like, no. And then you're committed. Then you're just committed to it, you know? There's not much you can do about it at this point. It's starting to look a little like Cleopatra. I mean, this is not the way that I wanted this to go. We're going in with this Fresh Water pearlescent shade right there. And I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for the lid, and I'm going to spray some of the MAC Fix Plus on it. We are going to place it in the corner here. We're gonna connect it in a corner and under the eye, connect it with that other shade. Did that make it worse? I went in and I cleaned the under eye area. I'm still not 100% on board with it, but it looks better than it did before. I'm slowly learning to accept it. This is the Urban Decay Ransom Eyeliner, the 24-hour glide on, and it's in this like purpley bluish shade. I know it's like super small. I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I need to be like right up near the mirror in order to do this so I don't poke my eye out, so I'll be right back. Now I'm going to be using the Milk Kush Lash Primer. If you guys saw my video, you know that I don't particularly think this works that great for the money, you know, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Might as well use it, right? We're going in with the Maybelline The Falsies in the shade Very Black. I used to use this mascara all the time. It was like my go-to for so many years. And then I stopped using it. And I recently bought a tube thinking that I would go back to loving this mascara. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't know if they changed the formula since I last used it, or if it's just something new with my eyes, but whatever is happening, it's causing the mascara to transfer onto my top lid. And this is happening all the time, not even when I wear masks, because I know I have a problem with most mascaras when I wear a mask and it transfers to my top lid. But this mascara, like for whatever reason, just continues to transfer to my top lid. And I don't recall that ever happening when I used to wear it back in the day. I used to love it. I take a really long time to do my mascara. I could sit here for a good 10 minutes coating my mascara, coating my lashes in mascara. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. I went in and used the Velvet Lip Glide from NARS in the shade Bound. I still would say that I'm not a huge fan of blue for the eyes. I think that's something that I used to do way back in the day when I was in love with the color, but I don't think this is something I'm really gonna gravitate towards anytime soon. It is fun to try and get out of my comfort zone and do different eye looks. And it's definitely easier to do that, I feel, especially now with having to wear masks and stuff. A lot of the focus is on your eyes. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this look? Would you wear it out? Would you try it? Is this a big fail? Is this a no? If you liked this video, please make sure to leave me a like. Also, let me know down below if there are any colors that you are just so fearful of trying on your lids. There are still colors out there that still scare the crap out of me. Green is a shade that does scare me, like big, bold hunter green colors, that does scare me. But we'll see. Maybe I'll do another one of these videos and I will do a green look for you. So let me know down below if you'd like to see something like that. Also, if you are not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, I hope that you'll consider subscribing below and hitting that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I would love it if you joined my subscriber family. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you so much for stopping by, interacting with me. I love it when you guys leave me a comment. I love to hear your thoughts. I love talking to you, so please continue doing that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.